You see Amazon everywhere. You use it for shopping, you watch its shows on Prime Video, and maybe you even rely on its cloud services for work. It's a giant, and you've had the thought, what if I owned a piece of that? What if I could actually invest in Amazon and participate in its future growth? But then the practical questions hit you. Where do I even start? What's a broker? Do I need thousands of dollars for a single share? The process seems shrouded in mystery, like there's a secret handshake you don't know. That confusion is what keeps most people on the sidelines, watching from a distance. But I'm here to tell you that the barrier to entry is lower than you think. In fact, you can start with just the money in your pocket. This video is your straightforward, step-by-step roadmap. We are going to go from zero to shareholder, together. I'll show you how to pick a platform, fund your account, and make that first investment with clarity and confidence. Let's demystify the process and get you started on your investing journey. The absolute first step, before you even think about Amazon's stock price, is to choose your online brokerage platform. A brokerage is simply a company that's licensed to buy and sell stocks on your behalf. Think of it as your gateway to the stock market. For a beginner, you have several excellent options. There are established, full-service brokers like Fidelity, Charles Schwab, and Vanguard. These are powerhouses with tons of research tools and excellent customer service. Then, you have modern, app-based brokers like Robinhood and Webull, which are designed for simplicity and have very intuitive interfaces. So, how do you choose? You're looking for three key things. First, you want a platform with zero commission fees for stock trades. Thankfully, this is the standard now. Second, and this is critical for a company like Amazon, you need a broker that offers fractional shares. Amazon's share price is high, often over $3,000. Fractional shares allow you to buy a piece of a share with any amount of money, say $50 or $100. This is a game changer. Third, you want a user-friendly platform that doesn't feel overwhelming. My suggestion is to look at the websites or download the apps for Fidelity, Charles Schwab, and Robinhood. See which one feels most intuitive to you. For a beginner who values simplicity above all else, Robinhood is a great starting point. For someone who wants a more robust platform they can grow into, Fidelity or Schwab is an excellent choice. You can't go wrong with any of them. Once you've picked your broker, the next step is to open and fund your account. This process is very similar to opening a bank account online. You'll need some basic personal information handy: your full legal name, your address, your date of birth, and your social security number. This is required for tax reporting purposes and is completely standard and secure. The application will ask you about your employment status, annual income, and investment experience. Answer these questions honestly. They help the broker understand your financial profile. For your account type, you'll almost certainly want to start with an individual taxable brokerage account. This gives you the flexibility to buy and sell stocks without the restrictions of retirement accounts. Once you submit your application, approval is usually quick, sometimes instant or within a day. After you're approved, you need to fund the account. This means transferring money from your personal bank account into your new brokerage account. You'll link your checking account using your routing and account numbers. This electronic transfer is free and is called an ETH transfer. It typically takes 1 to 3 business days for the funds to clear and become available for you to invest. Some brokers offer instant access to a small amount of money while the rest clears. Now, with money in your account, you're at the thrilling part, preparing to place your trade. But before you click buy, let's talk strategy. First, you need to decide how much of your Amazon investment you want to make. This is a personal decision, but the golden rule is to only invest money you are comfortable not touching for the long term, at least 5 years. The stock market fluctuates, and you don't want to be forced to sell when the price is down because you need cash for a car repair. Start with an amount that feels significant to you but doesn't keep you up at night. Thanks to fractional shares, this could be $100, $500, or more. Second, you need to understand what you're buying. When you search for Amazon in your broker's app, you'll use its ticker symbol, which is AMZN. This is its unique identifier on the stock market. Before you invest, it's wise to do a quick sanity check. Ask yourself why you're investing in Amazon. Is it because you believe in the long-term growth of e-commerce and cloud computing? Are you impressed by its leadership and innovation? Having a reason beyond "I think the price will go up" will make you a more resilient investor when the market gets bumpy. You've got your broker, your account is funded, and you know how much you want to invest. Now, let's execute the trade. Inside your brokerage app, you'll find a search bar. Type in AMZN, you'll be taken to Amazon's stock page, which will show charts, news, and the current price. Look for a button that says Buy. Clicking it will bring up the trade ticket. Here, you'll specify the details of your order. First, you'll choose between a market order and a limit order. For your first ever trade, a market order is perfectly fine. A market order means buy this stock from me right now at whatever the best available current price is. It's fast and guaranteed to execute. A limit order, on the other hand, lets you set the maximum price you're willing to pay. The trade will only go through if the stock is at or below your price. It offers more control but might not execute if the price moves away from your limit. For a highly liquid stock like Amazon, a market order is simple and effective. Next, you'll enter the amount you want to buy. Since we're using fractional shares, you'll select dollars or amount instead of shares. Type in the dollar amount you decided on earlier, for example, $100. Review the order summary carefully. It will show you the estimated cost. Once you're confident everything is correct, click Submit or Place Order. Congratulations! You are now a shareholder of Amazon. You own a small, fractional piece of one of the most influential companies in the world. Your brokerage account will now show your position in AMZN. You'll see the current value, which will change throughout the trading day. This is where the real journey begins. The most important thing to do now is to adopt a long-term mindset. Do not panic if the value goes down 10% next week. Do not get overly excited and sell if it goes up 10%. Stock prices are volatile in the short term. The power of investing comes from staying invested over many years, allowing your money to compound and grow alongside the business. A great strategy from here is to consider setting up automatic investments. You can schedule your broker to invest $100 into Amazon every single month, a strategy called dollar cost averaging. This removes the emotion from investing and helps you build your position over time, regardless of whether the price is up or down in any given month. Before we finish, I have to end with a crucial disclaimer. I am not a licensed financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Investing in the stock market always involves risk, including the potential loss of the money you invest. The value of your investment in Amazon will fluctuate with market conditions, and past performance is not a guarantee of future results. You should always conduct your own research and consider your personal financial situation and risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. Your call to action is simple. Take that first step. Choose a broker today and open an account. You don't even have to fund it immediately. Just get the process started. The hardest part is beginning, and you've already done the learning. Now, go take action. Thanks for watching.